We gotta wash him.
Gotta do what? Really?
Granddaddy let Roscoe in the house.
No, he did.
Yeah.
Roscoe, that was big.
Yeah, but he needs a bath before he does that again.
Do you think he's gonna let him stay in the house?
He said no.
But he let him in the house and y'all were up there. That's amazing. Did you go on Granny's house, Roscoe? We're getting ready to go on a cruise.
I mean, I think Roscoe will definitely listen.
Yeah.
Coco never listen.
I think you will too. Roscoe, you can go outside? Gotta check out my new camera. Let's go check it out. Come on. Let's check it out. That's what? Yeah. There goes Granddaddy. Granddaddy's gonna take care of you while we're going on vacation. While we're going on a cruise. What do you think about that, buddy? Let's come here in the sun. Let me see how this new GoPro Hero 11 does. Come here. Come here. Come here. Where's your toy? Where's your toy? Where's your toy? There's your toy. Say good boy. Granddaddy's in for a treat. He's going to take care of Roscoe for almost a week and a half while we're going on vacation. Yeah, this is like pre-vacation. 2 more days. And we head south. Southbound and down. Load them up and truck it. We gonna do what they say can't be done. I'm funny. Huh? Yeah, we're gonna be trucking in the Jeep. I got it all cleaned up right here. We're gonna be trucking it in the Gladiator. The Gladiator. We're all ready. Alright. And Granddaddy down there, he's doing something with his trailer and tractor, I'm not sure, but he's going to be taking care of the Roscoe here. Yep. So yep, well, about a day and a half, we're pulling out. We're headed to Florida. We're going to go to, let me flip you around here. Ugh, I look terrible. Oh my goodness. Yeah. So in about a day and a half, we're headed south to Orlando. We're gonna go to Disney World. And we're gonna do Magic Kingdom. And we're gonna do Hollywood Studios. What, wait, what? What? Kevin! Uh-oh, Granddaddy wants Kevin. Let me go get him. Let's see. Let's see if we can get Kevin. Kevin! Yeah. Granddaddy needs your assistance. Yep. Granddaddy's calling Kevin. He needs help. Probably something. He's going to help him load his trailer back. He better run. You better hurry up. He's trying to back that trailer into your truck. You better go. You better go. Eat that cookie, boy. That boy's always hungry. Always. Always. So yeah. This is pre-vacation. We're ready. Alright, let me go ahead and end this little section of video here. I don't know how many videos I'll make, but I'll try to break it up so it'll be easier to watch. Yo, what's up guys? Today is going to be vacay day. Let me turn it around here so we can see what's going on. So today we're leaving North Carolina and we're going to Florida. Yes sir. And we're going for our vacation that never happened, like before COVID, and it's been almost 4 years basically since we've been on vacation. So yeah, we're actually going to go down to Orlando and we're going to spend 2 days in Disney World, and then we're going to drive over to Port Canaveral and we're going to go on the Carnival Mardi Gras. Woo! Yeah. So anyway, just to give you guys an idea of what it takes to pack 4 people, 4 adults basically. I have 2 20-year-olds, so 4 adults, me, mama, and the kids. This is what it takes to pack a Jeep Gladiator to go to Florida on vacation. So check this out. This is our Gladiator, and it's not even full yet, but there's the back of the Gladiator. We got all the suitcases completely. It completely fills it up, and it's just, I mean, it's, yeah, we're gonna be packed. But the funny thing, not the funny thing, but we ended up putting a tonneau cover, a hard cover, on the Jeep, and even a rubber mat so things wouldn't slide. But we did this specifically so we could basically take a road trip in the Gladiator. So for those of you who are, you know, looking at a Gladiator and, you know, you like, no, I can't go on a road trip with that because there's no way we can put luggage in the back. No, yes you can. You can get one of these hard-sided flip covers, and it's completely waterproof. I've never had any issues with any water getting in here. But basically, as you can tell, see, this thing will flip back like this right here. And then this part will flip like that. And the beauty of it all is when you close your tailgate, you can lock it. So all your valuables are locked up in the back of the truck. Now, of course, now we're not going to leave anything overnight or anything in it. But, you know, if you did, if you wanted to use a Jeep Gladiator, you know, for a road trip, you most certainly can, because if you put one of these on it, you have definitely a viable means for doing Jeep things and doing road trips. So, anyway, I just wanted to show that off there. What else we got going on the Gladiator? Let me see. So I got one of those cool. It's called Bullet. Let me show you what it is. Oh, first, before I do that, I know I'm bouncing around stuff, but so here's my bag. Check this out. Y'all got to see this. Cruise people will love this. But here's my backpack. It's just a Nike backpack, but I ain't completely set up. I have literally, I've got my island hat on here. I've got my Crocs. I got all my stuff in here. You know, of course, I got my drink cup I gotta have right here, and I got, you know, pretty much everything I need to be a, you know, well-seasoned tourist. So that's coming too. And so anyway, yeah, let's go in here. Let me show you what's going on inside the Gladiator. So I don't know if y'all can see good because the sun's coming in right here in the garage, but I do have this this mount for my phone. I have the mount for our GoPro as a dash cam, which I put in loop mode, and I've got it connected so without a battery, so it won't overheat. But let me see. Let me get this here real quick for you, because I forget the name of this. Yeah, so it's Bullet Point. Can you see that? God, I can't see it. The camera. Let me see if I can get it to show up. So it is Bullet Point, and it's basically a whole mechanism that mounts right into the top of the dash here. You remove the rubber tray that goes down in there, and then it screws right in. So it gives you secure mounting points for your phone, your mobile device, your GoPro. I mean, you can add more things to this, but anyway, we're set up for a road trip. So when we get going here later this afternoon, we'll I guess I will do some more video. But anyway, yeah, I don't need to tell you to like and subscribe. You already like my videos, and yeah, so I'm not even at the end yet. I don't know how I'm gonna, let me flip it around. You know, I'm a terrible vlogger, but I don't know how I'll break these videos down. And you know, when we come back from vacation, I don't have the, you know, the internet plan or anything on the ship, so I'll have to wait until I get back to upload some of this stuff. I might be able to upload some of it before we leave Orlando. I'll see how that works out. But I'll try to get you guys some content, you know, without having to wait a whole week for the cruise. At least I'll get some of the Disney stuff in there. So anyway, I don't know if this is going to be the end of the video or not, but if you do like the videos, and I think I've already said this a million times, please subscribe, please like, and please comment. I don't get many comments on my videos. So yeah, I would love to see your comments on people doing stuff like us as a family. Anyway, I will catch you on later. Have a good one.